Use antivirus software. Viruses causes issues such as slowing down your device, damaging or deleting files, and triggering hard drive crashes. Antivirus software protects your device from viruses by deleting and removing them before they cause damage. In addition to virus protection, antivirus software can also block spam and ads, defend your device from hackers, protect your data and files, and act as security for another online cyber threats. When selecting an antivirus software, don't just don't just base your decision on price. You should consider the software's email scanning abilities, download protection, speed, malware canability, com- compatibility with your device, and privacy policy to get back for your buck. Some of the top antivirus software includes Norton, McAfee, Intego, Avira, Total. Number 5. Use public Wi-Fi with caution. Third, public Wi-Fi has expanded in in the past few years. The cybersecurity threats that go along with in our still a problem. Hackers can create their one network or use other public network steal to steal people information without user knowing. When use public Wi-Fi, it's best to avoid sensitive activities like making online purchases or online banking. You should also look for a network that requires a password. Most public places like cafes or stores will have the password available for people after they make a purchase or when requested by a potential customer. Another way to protect your device using when using public Wi-Fi is to make sure that websites you visit are secure. Use a firewall or set up virtual private network VPN.